In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for name availability for your website. For instance, if you want to create a website today, whether you want to create a website for your business or you want to create a website for your consulting or for your agency, you are going to need a domain name. And before you get a domain name, you need to search to be sure that nobody is using that domain name before you go and buy it. So in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can search to know if the name you want to buy is available for you to purchase before you purchase it. Are you getting it now? So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Awajiimam Isioto, and on this channel, I show you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that will help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we go straight into the video, quickly just do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing, and making sure to turn on your notification bell. Why you are doing that is so that when I post new content, you are going to be notified and you can check that out. All right, so do me that favor by liking, subscribing, and turning on your notification bell. Okay, so straight away we go straight into the video and I'll show you how to search for your website name, how to search for name availability for your website. So what we are going to do is to go straight to my Google here, and I'm going to search for Namecheap. That's the site where we are going to be checking for the availability of your website name. Now, if you don't know, Namecheap is a platform where you can purchase your domain name and hosting at an affordable price. Are you getting now? You can come here and purchase your domain name. You can come here and purchase your domain name and hosting for an affordable price. As you can see on your screen here, you can see for .com only it's 6.49. For net only is $4.48. Are you seeing this now? So you can purchase this from anywhere in the world. Look at the platform, very easy to use. Okay, so what you are going to do now to search for your name, let's say for instance you want to search for a name. Let's just use an example of Billionaire Daddy. So we're going to come here and type it here, Billionaire Daddy. We want to be sure if somebody has taken the name, so we'll not go and buy a name that somebody has taken. All right, this is your check you should do before you buy a website. So you come here and type Billionaire Daddy and then you search for it. Okay, wait for it to load, and then boom, you are seeing now. You are seeing what we are seeing on the screen. You can see that the name has been taken already. Somebody has bought the name. Are you seeing it now? Once you see this mark that you see here, it means that somebody has bought the name. You can see that the name was registered in 2009. That means somebody has bought the name and kept the name. You understand? For domain flipping. Now, you can see these are other options or different variations of the name that you can also purchase. But seeing this now, it means that we cannot use this domain name. All right, so what we are going to do is to go and type again another name. Are you getting now? Let's type another name to see. Let's type fairly used Can you see this one is coming out now? It's showing premium. That means somebody has already bought it. Now we are going to try another one. We'll say let me just use my name. My name is Awajiimam, so I'll just use AWA Awajiimam. Are you seeing now? Can you see? This name is available. That means nobody has purchased this name. So what you can do now, when you see this, it means that you just come here and click this cart here. Once you click on it, If we click on it now, it will add it to our cart. Can you see? It has been added to our cart. Can you see the price here? $11.46. So if we purchase this site now, it means that our domain name has been purchased. So you can go ahead to buy the hosting. You can see here the hosting is costing $4.48 monthly, which is a good bargain. Are you getting it now? So this is how to check if the name you want to buy is available for you to purchase when you are trying to build your website. All right, that's where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. If you want to learn how to build a website, or you want to build a website for your business, just go to the link in the description. Check, I'll drop a link for you there, or drop a comment for me in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.